Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening Final Cut Pro and focusing on the library that contains the event you want removed. Once in the library, click to reveal the event. Don't waste time scanning every library. Pick the correct one now. Make sure you inspect projects and clips inside so you don't delete work unintentionally. You need to identify whether media is managed inside the library or referenced externally, because that determines what gets removed when you delete the event. With the event selected, right-click and choose Move to Trash. That is the only in-app method to remove an event. Once done, Final Cut Pro moves managed media and library-managed items into the application trash while leaving external referenced files where they live. Make sure to delete or relocate any projects or compound clips inside the event first, so you don't orphan timelines. If media is referenced externally, remove those files in Finder after confirming you no longer need them. To finish, open the Final Cut Pro trash and click Empty to permanently remove the event's managed media. Once done, empty the Mac OS trash to reclaim disk space. Make sure external drives that held referenced media are connected if you expect files to remain elsewhere. If the event still appears after emptying trash, quit and relaunch Final Cut Pro, or check that the library isn't duplicated on another drive. If necessary, relink or eject.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.